One of the most common videos you see on the internet is a little video with the title, "What would happen if the Earth was hit with an asteroid?" There's a million different videos with that title, a million different theories they have for if an asteroid were to hit the Earth. Would there be a tsunami? Would there be a big tornado? So what I want to do to sort of break the mold so we can get out of this very childish, overused video of what would happen if an asteroid hit the Earth. I want to turn it on its head here and look at what would happen. Why doesn't the Earth ever get any glory? So let's look at what would happen if the Earth hit an asteroid. Now, you always hear, like I said, you always hear about the massive, devastating impact a little asteroid, not even 1/4 of the Earth's size, would have if it hit into the Earth. Well, let's flip that around. What would happen if the Earth, 10 times the size of a lot of asteroids, sometimes even bigger in comparison to the size of an asteroid? What would happen if somehow the false constraints of gravity were eliminated and the Earth was able to hurtle toward a little puny asteroid? Well, what would happen is the Earth would effectively destroy that asteroid. Sure, the Earth would be risking a little small portion, really infinitesimal, such a small portion of itself it would be risking. It would be sacrificing a little small part of itself to completely and utterly destroy an asteroid. So hopefully this video can sort of serve to put the asteroids that have had their confidence falsely bolstered, hopefully this video can serve to put them on notice. The Earth and myself, we've seen all the videos, all the little predictions, and we're fed up with them. So we're flipping the script here and looking at just what the Earth would do to you puny little asteroids.